Melissa here from EdTech, and I'm here to tell you how you can actually create a dashboard custom for your students. So I am logged in as a teacher here on ClassLink, and as you notice on the very bottom, I have this toolbar. If I've favorited anything, I'll see it down here. I'll also have these two buttons, both Teacher Console and My Analytics. Notice how the teacher console is shaped like a backpack. That's because on the student side, this is actually called My Backpack. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Once I come in here, if you are a rostered teacher in Aries, you are going to see your class or classes listed here. For every class that you have in Aries, you will have one of these classes listed in ClassLink. What I'm going to do, this for elementary, you're only going to have one. So I'm going to go ahead and log in as this first grade teacher. And what I'm able to do here is I can add apps specifically for my class. So on here, I've already added Epic and student dashboard for Freckle. You can ignore this quick cards. This is a kinder through second grade teacher, so they have access to quick cards for their students. You may not see this. In order to customize your dashboard for your students, you're going to go ahead and click on Add New App. And I'm going to start searching. But the biggest thing I recommend is noticing that when you automatically click that add app, it takes you into the staff library. Most of these are actually going to take you to the teacher page, which we don't want for our students. So instead, I encourage you to click on student library. And this is where I can then say, okay, my students are going to be using Lexia. I'm going to go ahead and add. Now I see a little lock here. I can do this with multiple apps. I can delete apps. So I'm going to go ahead and do one more here. I can also search apps up here. So for example, if there was a platform that was approved that my students are using, maybe it's even just a website, I could search here and add it that way, as well as using this add your own app. We encourage you to remember that we do have our approved list of NMUSD apps, and that student privacy matters to us. So make sure that you're considering that when you're putting these on your student dashboard. Now you'll notice all of my apps available here. If there are some that I do not want them to use, I can just click on this remove button and it will go away. When students log in, there's a separate way of how they access this backpack. I'll be creating another screencast to show you how to do that. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, please reach out to EdTech through edtech@nmusd.us. Have a great day.